Hey, you like the stock market? What a coincidence. So do I. In fact, this is my reoccurring Monday real life stock review where I look at stocks that you requested and go through the analysis and see what's shaping up. Let's dive in together right now.
Hey traders from around the world, what's going on? It's your boy Jeremy Newsome with reallifetrading.com. Trust you're doing amazing, and we do have ourselves a really nice day out there in the markets. Some nice cute moves on the SPY. Looks like we're gonna just slowly keep creeping and cruising higher. SPY making a nice little candle, and where she stops, no one knows. So until then, just continue to be bullish. Find out what happens. The Qs were just running again today because the techs were strong, are strong, staying strong. Qs, nice little pennant pattern again, breaking the 100. All the markets look pretty much presently the same, and that's a good thing, I guess, for anyone who's in some long-term stuff, long-term accounts, all that kind of good jazz. Let's go hop into the trade of the day. For those of you who got access to the trading free open house week last week, thank you for being there. It really means a lot. We had about 40 traders sign up for the free week to continue on with real life trading. I just want to say it's an immense honor, privilege to serve and trade with you. Notice the banner is gone, so it is, time is up. If you didn't get in, you missed it. I think technically after getting this particular email, there's like another hour or so to go. But anyway, wonderful trading day in the markets. Wow. Clorox. So check this out. This is just a really quick glimpse, but had a lot of traders just smoke some Clorox action. There's my boy Andrew snagging himself up 2 Rs. I have to really hop over here because this was the original trade, but there's Thomas getting himself an R on Clorox. Where did I post that trade very early? So 9:16 a.m. I remember posting it earlier than that though. Where is that trade? Okay, yeah, sorry, right here. 8:36 a.m. Clorox, 156.80 by 154.80. So here is the 5-minute chart, and actually what I will do is I will post this chart in the description box for the YouTube channel as well as the email. But that was the original setup that I posted, and you'll notice the stop movement. Some traders ended up getting trailed out at 159.81, which is wonderful. And then of course, this was a bearish trade that we just played on Clorox. Didn't get the target, but we did exit for an R. One nice, cute little afternoon breakdown on Clorox. We wrote it up, we wrote it down, beautiful stuff. So good. So anyway, that was Clorox. That's what we got. The other really wonderful gap out there was ACB. This was another just A+ gap that a lot of traders were trading this morning, talking about the marijuana sector. We made a lot of great jokes and puns about that pot stocks are blazing and they're smoking and they're on fire and all those kind of good jokes. I loved it. Apple just doing exactly what we thought it would do, up 3%, having that really nice rotation. These two candles were the exact same high. Beautiful bullish gap and go, retesting off of the 50 EMA. Just really nice. Ladies and gentlemen, I'll have a much longer review for you on Wednesday. If you do want into the trading rooms, let me know. I recorded over 6 hours of content today. Today was Mentorship Monday, but you will need to email me because the links are not on the website, although I think there's an hour or two left. But tonight will be the last night. I'm going to mention it. It's going to be gone, over, done with, finito, bye-bye. And then tonight at 6 p.m. Central, 7 Eastern is Hedging with Options, Class 1. If you want in, you know where to be. Email me, and I'll hook you up with a link. Otherwise, thank you for helping me enrich lives. I will see you all Wednesday. And until then, love life, live life, and trade it. Bye.
All right, friends, that's it. Your Monday real life stock review wrapped up, finished, cooked, baked up at 450 degrees for your mentally delicious brain food. If you like that, make sure to click that beautiful subscribe button. And if you like this video, there's plenty more where it came from. Click that button right there to watch more. You rock.